This is the newest method people are using currently to make a lot of money on CPA grip and content logging. And this is XP Marketing with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the whole process and how to get it and how to start making money right away. So without further ado, let's jump right to the video. Alright, the first thing you want to do is you want to download this landing page. Alright, so let me demonstrate how this landing page works. Right, if you come to this landing page and click on continue, it's going to ask you for your real name, and then once you have that, say John, and then john@gmail.com. You select your region and then click on continue. So you can see the whole computer thing, the whole hacking thing or whatever is going on the screen, and this is what your visitors will be seeing if they input their details. Alright, so now as you can see, it says Xbox X series worth $500. They have 16 left as giveaway. They also have the Xbox Series S worth $300 and they have 11 left. So if you click on any of this, as you can see, it brought the image. So now if I click, I choose the Xbox X version. As you can see, it brought out my details, and now it's trying to get me a free, it's trying to get me a chance to win this item. Alright, now it says I have to pass human verification. So once I click on this verification, you can see, usually if I click on this verify, it's supposed to pop up a script, right? But there is no script on this landing page, right? I'm going to show you how to add the script. So once the script pops up, it will ask them to complete an offer or download an app, and then once they do that, you get credited, you get money in your CPA grip account. Alright, okay, so now we've seen how the whole process works. Now I'm going to show you how to add your content logger script to this page. Alright, now you want to go to the folder where you downloaded this landing page, and then once you are there, you click on index, you right click on it and open with Visual Studio Code. And if you don't have that installed in your PC, it's free. You can just search on Google and download VS Code, and then you scroll down. Right, as you can see right here, it says local script with load. I have the code right here. Copied my code. Now I'm gonna paste the code here and then click on file and then save. So once I've done that, then I'm going to go back to where it's saved and click on it, and then let's repeat the whole process again. Let's just type in email. Actually, you can choose any of these, so let's just go with this. So you click on this just like we did previously. Click on this again. Alright, now it's saying I need to put my verify. Click on this verify. It's going to pop up the locker. As you can see, this was a previous locker I made in one of my previous videos just to demonstrate how to do this. Alright, so once it pops up this locker, they download any of the apps or complete any offer here, you get paid. Right, so now how do you promote this? You come to a website called righttag.com. So once you're in righttag.com, then you come to the search box and type in Xbox and then search. Right, as you can see, it will show you hashtags that people are currently using for this game. So now the first one, as you can see, it has over 130,000 hashtags in every hour, which means in every hour people include this hashtag in their tweets. Alright, so you can come here. This is also another tag. Right, people post around 4,092 hashtag 4,092 posts which include this hashtag. So it's the same thing for all these other hashtags. So you want to copy all these hashtags, right, since they are really related to Xbox, right? And then you go to Twitter, and I want you to, and you have to create a new Twitter account for this, and you want to make sure your account look as legit as possible. This is just a demonstration. This is just an example account. As you can see, the account has a profile picture of a real human being and also also a background picture of people, right? So it looks legit, and as you can see, this person has about 5,000 followers already, and it's barely over a year that the account was created. So if you don't want to use your image, you can come to a website called thispersondoesnotexist.com and you can download this image. You don't have to use your image if you don't want to. And if I refresh the page, it's going to bring another image, as you can see. So these people don't exist at all. So you don't have to use your image to create the Twitter account. You can use a random image that you get from this website. So once you have that set up, then you want to copy this link, right? You want to copy this and create a tweet, and then paste that. As you can see, this is the script we are going to use. Xbox giveaway. If I post a giveaway, I do my best to ensure it's legit. So go ahead, enter. Be sure to let me know if you win. I love reading that someone won from a giveaway I posted. Look, alright, so this is the post, this is the script you are going to use, right? And then this space where I put link, you are going to put your local link that leads to this page, right? Also, if you notice this link, this is not a real link that you can share online, because this is a link that I can only use in my PC, so I can't share this link. So I already made a video on how to get a custom domain name for free. So that is the link you are going to use, right? So I made an example so you can watch my previous video. I'll leave it in the description so you can watch that video on how to do that. So once you have that, So once you have pasted your link here, then you can come to Google and type in Xbox giveaway, and you can see there are a lot of images, right? A lot of good images that you can use, right? So you can download any of these images, right? So you can download any of these images and you upload them. So you can use something like this who is ready for a giveaway. If you don't want to use an Xbox giveaway, you can just use a random image, or you can come here and come to give in Xbox, right? So you can see there are really nice images that you can use and really nice GIFs that you can use. So once you press that, once you tweet that, right? Or before you tweet that, you want to come here and copy all the stats. Okay. So you want to copy all this. You want to copy all these things, right? And then once you then you're going to post the image, you're going to post the tweet deal. So once you do that, people will start sending you messages, right? And once they go to the link, right, once they click the link, they'll be brought to this page. So they don't need to contact you. And once they complete the offers, you make money. So if you find any value in this video, then drop a like on the video and look around the channel. If you are watching one of my videos for the first time, there are a lot of other valuable videos that you can find on the channel. And having said that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.